Story. Number 10. Can you draw a picture? English Grammar Worksheet 9. Topic Articles. Fill in the blanks using a, an, or the. Number 1. I saw blank elephant in the zoo. Our answer is an. Number 2. She ate blank apple. Our answer is an. Number 3. Blank sun rises in the east. Our answer is the. Number 4. He has blank umbrella. Our answer is an. Number 5. I bought blank pen. Our answer is a. Number 6. She is blank honest girl. Our answer is an. Number 7. We visited blank Taj Mahal. Our answer is the. Number 8. He lives in blank big house. Our answer is a. Number 9. Please bring blank glass of water. Our answer is a. Number 10. She is reading blank book. Our answer is a. Number 11. He found blank old coin. Our answer is an. Number 12. Blank moon looks beautiful. Our answer is the.
안녕하세요. So today I am going to make my project in science.